In today's video, I am going to teach you how to back up website Godaddy. To get started, log into your Godaddy account and open your My Products page. This is the main area where you can view and manage the products connected to your account, including your website services. Once you are there, take a moment to locate the website you want to back up. Next, scroll down until you find either Websites plus Marketing or Managed WordPress, depending on the type of website hosting you are using. When you see the correct website listed, click Manage next to that site. This will open the settings and management area for that specific website. After that, look for the three-dot menu. Click on it, then choose Settings. This section gives you access to site options, including backup-related tools if they are available for your plan. It is a good idea to move carefully here so you select the correct menu and stay within the settings for the right website. Once you are inside the settings area, check to see whether your backup is currently running or if it is ready. This part is important because it tells you the current backup status. If a backup is already in progress, you may need to wait until it finishes before doing anything else. If it shows as ready, then you can continue. Now look for the backup section. This is where Godaddy shows backup availability and management options for your website. If the backup section indicates that everything is ready for your site, click Manage. Then select Backup Now to begin the backup process. At this point, Godaddy will start creating a backup of your website. Depending on the size of your site, this may take a little time. It is helpful to let the process finish fully before closing the page or making other major changes to your site. That helps make sure the backup completes properly. A simple tip here is to always confirm that you are working on the correct website before starting the backup, especially if you manage more than one site in the same account. It is also useful to check back after a few moments to verify that the backup started successfully and is showing the proper status. That covers everything you need to know.